guys, welcome back to Elena Omer. So, of course, today's video is kinda actually cool. Right now, you see a bird there, but there's a bird in that nest. That, no. That bird right there is actually a mama bird of a nest. Like, you think there's eggs in that thing? So cute! So our neighborhood is actually really quiet, I think. So it's a really good neighborhood to have a bird in it. And also shout out to my mom right now who's filming this. Please get it up to 100 subscribers so you can see her face. And 200, maybe 300. Oh, there's ants everywhere here, as you can see. I'm kind of scared of these creatures. Right now it's spring. This mama bird. Spring is like a good time for birds to actually, I think, lay eggs. And you can see its tail is wagging. But I think it's trying to warm up its eggs. If it has. And this is my whole entire neighborhood. It's a really peaceful place. As you can see, there's not that much racket happening. And since this bird is actually trying to not get disturbed, I am just gonna pause the video right now. So hope you have a great day. Make sure you take care of your bird like this.